Something wrong. You've been putting up with my shit just way too long. I'm so gifted at finding what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. I take pictures with my mind.
Hi, mahal. Nandito na talaga tayo. Alam mo naman na hindi talaga ako magaling sa flowery words, but rest assured, everything na sasabihin ko is genuine. I want to thank God because He really made it possible na mag-cross ang paths natin, letting me meet this very supportive, understanding, and very down to earth na sobrang sexy at chicks na babae.
I will wish these golden days would stay for a while.
Sharon! Thank you! Hindi niya to writing, pero alam niya. Hi, dear. Charot. Dear Charo, alam mo naman na hindi ko to sinulat kasi tama talaga, alam mo naman na hindi ko to sinulat kasi ang pangit ng writing ko. I'm giving you this gift, symbolize prosperity and good fortune. I need you to enjoy this special day kahit ilang months na tayong stress. I'll see you later, dear. I love you so much. Bien po.
I will miss these golden years one day. I will wish these golden days would stay for a while.
Dear, ito na talaga. I thank God dahil ikaw yung binigay niya para sa akin.
May sound crazy, but it's true. Every moment here with you, I feel happier. Makes me happier. When
I thank your mama na pinalaki ka niya na maayos. You always put other people first before yourself whenever you can. Kumbaga pa, one call away ka lang. Thank you, dear. Kasi hindi lang ako yung mahal at inaalagaan mo, kundi minahal at inaalagaan mo rin pati yung buong pamilya ko.
I'm very lucky to have you in my life. Even though we have our ups and downs, misunderstandings, or minsan magmaoy ako, or minsan magmaoy ka.
Reply ka lang daw sa sabihin ko. Sabi niya lang daw, I love you so much. Magkita na lang daw kayo mamaya sa church. Ano daw
Hindi naman. Dear, thank you talaga sa gift mo. Hindi ko yung nakalain na may gift ka pala sa akin. Automatic pa. Salamat, mahal. I love you. I love you, dear. Thank you. See you later.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm dreaming.
So today, with all our family, friends, and God as our witnesses declaring our love with each other, the most exciting part of this love story is making promises. So, Rodessa Flo Marie Tolete Ferrer, this is my promise to you. I promise to always love you unconditionally. I promise to make God as the center of our relationship. I promise to always laugh with you and never go to bed angry.
Now you found me, darling, you found me. I could never break away. You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it forever. I will stay. I want you to be my everyday.
I remember praying to God na gusto ko, ikaw na yung makakasama at mapapangasawa ko. And the fact that I am standing here before Almighty Creator is a proof that He heard my prayer, and never in my life have I been more certain of my choice than to spend the rest of my life with you.
There was nothing we could do to stop the moment from sweeping us. I think I want everything you got. You threw your line and I was caught. I'm never ever gonna give you up. Now you found me, darling, you found me. I could never break away. You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it forever. I will stay. I want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday. I can't remember life before you, and I can't imagine life without. So I'm gonna close the door on any doubts.
From this day forward, for better, for worse,
Darling, you
for
found
richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, I promise to love you, dear, and all the days of my life.
Now you found me, darling, you found me. I could never break away. You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it forever. I will stay. I want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday.
Dear, today, I chose to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, dear, and I always will.